Feel like nature is a part of the everyday life and it's around us. It's always changing in unpredictable and different forms over a period of time. It's very interesting to see how the very daylight changes the way nature looks. If you look at my photographs closely, you can see day to day it looks consistent and on some days it has completely changed. I have been doing art in the area for the last 8 years and I have never taken the time to really look. I wonder how many people have the same experience like I do passing by nature on this block. They usually pass by and don't notice the beauty nature it has to offer. People tend to be so focused on what they're doing and they don't notice the things around them. I remember taking a stroll to the Golden Gate Park with my friend on a beautiful day. I enjoyed the very light breeze blowing into my face and hair. It felt good and I could hear the birds singing. It helped me to clear my mind.